This pair of vases with storks was made by the Saint-Louis Crystal Works around 1880. The Saint-Louis Crystal Works were founded in 1585 in the Münzthal Valley. It first worked with glass, before discovering the secret of crystal manufacture in 1781. These ruby crystal vases are decorated with Japanese motifs. These were engraved with acid and then enameled with gold. Next to the stork, a tree of Far Eastern inspiration blooms on the body. It is accompanied by a butterfly. Opposite the stork are two interlocking circular cartouches, with slight variations from one vase to the next. The first circle features a Japanese landscape, a stretch of water bordered by reeds, a tree reminiscent of a pine on a rock. The second circle is frosted, giving the red color a matte appearance. The vases are signed in gold, St. Louis, and bear an old label from the Crystal Works. A pair of vases of the same model are in a private collection.